Meaning of formalism.
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 Formalism. Formalism refers to an approach in art, literature, or other creative endeavors that prioritizes the formal features over the content or meaning. It emphasizes the use of techniques such as line, color, and composition as the most important aspects of a work of art. In literature, it may focus on the use of language and structure rather than plot or character development. The result of formalism is often a work that is highly structured, abstract, and complex, with an emphasis on the aesthetic qualities above all else.